So now, for this particular one, it says a group of 10th graders, students, respond to a survey that asks which math course they are currently enrolled in. The survey data was broken down in the table above. Which of the following categories accounts for approximately 19% of all the survey respondents? So the first thing I want to point out is that we got, in order to find the percentage, we got to know the total. So there were 310 students total. Okay. And then how do I find 19%? So 19%, this is a proportion problem. I've got the total amount of students, which is 310, and I've got 19 out of 100. That's what 19% is. How many students is that? I don't know. I'm going to put an X there. So now to solve this thing, what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. So I'm going to say 310 times 19. And that's equal to 100 times X. And then I'm going to pull up my fancy schmancy calculator. And then I'm going to take, as soon as I turn it on, I'm going to clear this out and I'm going to say 19 times 310. Wow, that's a big number, 5,980. Is that what that was? Yeah, 5,008. Oh, nope, I got backwards. It's 5,890. And that's equal to 100x. Now to find out what that is, what x is, I'm just going to divide, bless you, by 100. So if I take that same number and divide it by 100, I'm really just going to move the decimals over 2 spaces, but I get 58.9. So I'm looking for a category that has about 58.9 students. Now right here, there's this right here that says 59. And what does that represent? Males taking geometry. Now you might want to double check. So it says females taking geometry is 53. No. Females taking algebra 2, that's 62. No, that's not closest. Males taking geometry is pretty close. What about males taking algebra? Well, there's only 44. So yeah, C's the correct answer. Now remember, you got to do that in 87 seconds. Now, if you could do that in 87 seconds, which most of you can with a little practice, that's one question that you get right. So that's a good thing. And it's just basic math. You guys know how to do proportions.